What are you drawing?
M.
M.
It's got M.
M for what?
For Madeline.
M for Madeline.
This is my dad. This is my dad.
Your duck?
She's 5. But she's not 5, but she's 1.
Oh.
She turned 3 after me when I turned 5. When I turned 5, I turned 6. I turned 6 after my other birthday.
Okay.